Good morning everyone, this is Samasmita and today we are going to do the comprehension part of the chapter Perseus and the Gorgon from the chapter 5 from book New Oxford Modern English class 5th. Okay, so comprehension. Number 1, answer the following question. A. What can we see in the night skies today that has the same name as the hero in the Greek myth? So I have written the answer in a copy. So here is the answer. In the northern skies, if you look up on the clear night, you can see the constellation of stars called Perseus. Then number 2, how is Dictys described and what did he do that demonstrate his personality? Dictys is described as kind. He allowed Perseus and Danae to live on his land. Okay. Then turn over the page. Number C, who was Dictys related to? Dictys related to King Polydectes. Then D, what present did King Polydectes ask his guest for and then what did he ask Perseus to get him? King Polydectes asked his guest to bring him a horse. Then he asked Perseus to get him the head of Medusa. Then number E, what did Perseus feel when he saw the witches? Why? Perseus felt repulsed when he saw the witches because they are hideous. Perseus repulsed यानी कि चौंक के रुक गया क्योंकि वो लोग बहुत अजीब दिखते थे. F. What gave Perseus the ability to fly and who gave them to him? A pair of winged sandals gave Perseus the ability to fly. Hermes gave them to him. Okay, then these questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. G. Why did Perseus agree to King Polydectes' demand? Perseus wanted to find a way to get rid himself and his mother from Polydectes' tyranny. The only way he knew how to get rid of him was to either give him what he wants or find a way to win over the king of the island Seriphos. Then H. Why did Perseus steal the witch's eyeball? Perseus stole the witch's eyeball because he needed it to strike a bargain with them so that they can tell them the location of the names who had the silver knapsack. Then I. Why did the gods help Perseus? Give at least 2 reasons. The gods decided to help Perseus because they could see how the king of Seriphos was treating Perseus and his mother Danae. They also might have wanted to help Perseus because he was Sergius' son. J. Why did Perseus help Andromeda? When Perseus saw Andromeda in trouble, he wanted to help her. Just as the same way the gods helped him, he also wanted to lend a helping hand. He admired Andromeda's bravery for trying to sacrifice herself for her people, and also he didn't want to see her being killed. That is why he saved Andromeda from the sea serpent. Okay. Then number 2. Put the following in the correct order and said used or asked with the correct name after each. Number A. How can I get rid of this irritating man? This is the first order. So here I have written A and the answer is thought Polydectes. Polydectes. B. Oh Perseus, don't you know our custom? Number B. This is number B and the answer is said one guest. C. Be cunning as well as brave. This is number E. Said Athena. D. You have it, you fool. Number F. East by second witch. E. Go to the northern shore. This is number B. Said Athena. Then number F. Bring me the head of Medusa. C. This is number C. Said Polydectes. Okay. Then number 3. Answer the following question to the reference to context. Okay. Number A. Use your brain as well as your strength, Perseus. I. Who says this word? to Perseus? It was Athena who said this word to Perseus. Then second, what does Perseus do that shows that he uses his brain? Perseus cleverly snatched the eye of the witches without them knowing and made them reveal the way of the Gorgon's lair. He also made himself invisible as he approached the Gorgon so that he doesn't attract all the Gorgons, and he looked only at the reflection of Medusa on the shield. Then third, what does Perseus do that shows he uses his strength? Perseus shows great strength who he killed Medusa, the Gorgon and the sea serpent in order to protect Andromeda. Then B, I will fight the monster and save you, he promised. Number 1, who said these words and to whom were they spoken? Perseus spoke this word to Andromeda. Second, when were these words spoken? He spoke these words when he was in his way back home and decided to defeat the sea serpent for Andromeda's sake. Then third, what was the reaction of the person who heard this word? Andromeda was first reluctant, but when Perseus insisted, she was grateful for his heroic act. Then working with words. Find words in the story which have the same meaning. Frightening, terrifying. Thankful means grateful. Made of stone or extremely frightened, petrified. A big meal for lots of people, banquet. To kill someone as an offering to the gods, sacrifice. A cruel or oppressive ruler, tyrant. Okay. Then number 2. Make question to get the following answer. Use the words in bracket. Here are the statements and you have to make the questions from these words that are in the brackets. Number 8. There are 3 gods who help Perseus. Here you have to use how many. So as we have using this word, the question is how many gods help Perseus? B. They know where to find the names. Why? Why did Perseus go to the 3 witches? Then number C. He uses the shield as a mirror. How? How did he use a shield? Then D. Perseus will win the battle. Will Perseus be able to win the battles? E. The sea was red with the blood of the sea serpent. What like? What did the sea look like? Okay. Then active and passive voice. Here active means the verb which have the object, and passive means verb which means active means first. Here we have know that who is doing the work. Okay, the first one, the noun is the active here, because here the boy is doing the work as he is sleeping. Went to sleep. The boy went to sleep. मतलब क्या है, यहाँ पे जो went है ये हमारा verb है जो कि active है. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें पहले ही बता दे रहा है कि कौन काम कर रहा है. जब क्या काम हो रहा है पहले बताया जाएगा तब पैसिव वर्ब होगा. ओके, सो यहाँ पे 1 cake was eaten by the dog. डॉग ने क्या कहा? 1 cake. तो कौन सा काम हुआ वो पहले दिया गया, इसीलिए इसको पैसिव बनाता है. देन सी इफ you can say which of the following verbs are active and which are passive. Number A. The little boy sang a song. This is active. Okay. कौन काम कर रहा है यहाँ पे पता चल रहा है? The little boy. The fish was thrown into the water. This is also active. My shoes were taken by my sister. ये पहले ऑब्जेक्ट है, फिर इसीलिए पैसिव होगा. My sister took away my shoes. This is active. The vulture was chased by the angry farmer. This is passive. The angry farmer chased the vulture. This is active. Our beautiful house was knocked down by the gale. Passive. Another beautiful house was built by my grandfather. This is also passive. My grandfather built a third house but that was also knocked by a gale too. This is active. Okay, then turn over the page. Number 2. Change the following into passive sentence. ये हमें active में दिया गया, इसको हम passive में करेंगे. तो इसको मैंने आंसर लिख लिया है यहाँ पे. The boy kicked the football. इसको ऐसे लिखना, the boy was. तो the ball was kicked by the boy. Number B. The girl painted the picture. The picture was painted by the girl. C. The man drove the jeep. The jeep was driven by the man. Then D. The boy flew the kite. The kite was flown by the boy. Then E. My father wrote some letters. Some letters were written by my father. The postman bought the parcels. The parcels were bought by the postman. Brian sent the money. The money was sent by Brian. H. Shekhar owned the prize. The prize was owned by Shekhar. Then I. Chandra broke the swing. The swing was broken by Chandra. Sandhya sewed the dress. The dress was sewn by Sandhya. Okay. So, this is all about the question and answer of this chapter. I hope you all like it. So share this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel and also comment down below to let me know that you will get it clearly. That's all for today. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Have a nice day.